pini advantage Assam 2.0 aputhak si nilitum all party hills leader conference ahin pen nang litum media court itum han chopopon lo lapen nang litum kewang pot nitum ningak long pana keropilo pini nitum han Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen nitum han isi low nang pale lo atumi je Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen advantage Assam 2.0 aputhak all political party organization aphan hangsi pini advantage Assam 2.0 aputhak chingwai pon lo labang so aga chingwai along nitum seta mehadak don lo presiden lapen nili asi haladak ilitum advantage Assam 2.0 along alam ke long dun aputhak nitum karjulong pen amatame ning sampik lo lapen ningarong pik lo advantage Assam 2.0 ke lake isi lang namlo pulotang te isi ilitum along ri mate bikhe ke Assam entire Assam langso economically kapaching thuri development langso phansi mane bori damlo labang so long pen ilitum Karbi Anglong along CBG compressed biogas labang so a plant setame dak longle pek ponji polam asi atumi malom litum social media to thaglong kaprek organization litum lapang kedam tangar ni sitame laposon si thaglong je alam chini pa meme pen laposon si ka protest meme jununo la advantage Assam 2.0 puthak ning jedo stame pinia hokpet litum meeting dun lo thagdam long lo lapan hala dak a meeting along litum kar ke thagdun long karjudun long abang ke lapuson helo je along le ahempu neli jong si neli long le do polotang te neli labang so abab grass neli chui dun longji lapen kachui nam ta longji lapen kejora dim tame long logji lapuson si hadak nitom arjudun long lo lapulotang te mepik lo lapen ako hadak ningje pontulo ake hai Sir Dr. Tuliram Ronghang ahin pen alang lige Autonomous Council chief lopot alang lipen paklang pon tulo je daga bangke sakuri mate job warang awar saisi tame Karbi Anglong arar atum hansi almost 10% mane 10% si tipo posipu except kisuman la technical jeneba ilitum Karbi Anglong ban jong se qualified muni davi pelotang te halatum pansi angtan pen ke wanchoji pu halabang postcom hekta hai setame ang tonakam anabangke lada Karbi Anglong asorsi longdun po pusi ketang aposi ningarong piklo lapen warbeli lapuchat kali nitum akai Sir Dr. Tuliram Ronghang lapen entire team lapen council member atom phanan tame nitum ahin men kachuning rege lapuhen lo je lahui alam pen chot kali si get talk men si paklang nang pusi nitum Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council akai Sir Dr. Tuliram Ronghang phan pachini pon lapen lang limo meeting along dame lam chak chipilo lapen labang so along isi Autonomous Council pen isi NC along le si tame NC edim hala so along le si tame mane pek ponji pusialang litum chaprai pon lo lapen council along revenue long po chiri silong suricap lasi council long yong si chiri silong suricap long lok pelotang de council ke isi phan isi project akam sistem claim pon ilong po labang so revenue pen lapen labang ke every yearly si revenue long pon po si council latum pini than pon lo apo si ning sampik lo lapen me piklo labang so project abang ke setame isi kaphereme me alam laso angbong do je labang ke nitum ke mo meeting along setame pudak lo lapen hala so meeting along ake hai jai kathar kaningje isi abang ke nilitum manga chedonu tekte je alang linga ningjia bangke labai council pen jongsi list kipi company phan polotang de lake totally ke jor lo pusipo sada me litum aron along langnam lab lo polotang te daga bangke list kipi un ke list kipi right bangke do Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council bondame ke jor non tribal aphan ke right ave asinili neto malam sada me mohadang meeting ong cepak lang dun lo je Assam Land and Revenue Regulation Act 1886 and the 6th schedule lapen Mikir Hills Transfer of Land Act 1959 arona teng pulatang te hadak bangke jongsi labang so industry la longle ke na dim jongsi industry bohai ba longle lotum en pulatang te Ambani group pusi pulo jongsi en pulotang te alang litum han ke lisi pichor nangji lapen jongsi ahem pu jongsi industry hem pu jongsi kar BST pulotang te lage belegalam lage keklemun aja kong do bontame jongsi bangasu non tribal unit pulotang te lake kitia tame hadaka transfer one aron long masi tokdak lo lasi ni tum karbeng autonomous council of tuning ring tum jela so bangke arona teng ben ki ot thip ji aphan lapen agreement le chikuri pusitame lease agreement le chikuri pusitame hadak sakuri abangke mane tokdak nangji lapen a terms and condition abang ing tang pik nangji pusi nilitum tuning ridam tung mohajong nili putulo akai jai kathar kaning je ponalam je list yong si ki pilo pulotang de lage ki jor lo pusipo lasi lage totally lage mopi hala Assam Land and Revenue Regulation Act 1886 arona teng pulotang de lage penangana ning kando de lo pulotang de lage Ambani punon Adani punon ba mane non tribal atum han yong si pilo pulotang de ning kan cap crepo yong si bang settle de lo pulotang de lage totally lage bang potata che bonai de to pusi kaning je aposi la bang ke un e athela da ke 6 schedule di mopot la bang la tum titia tame un e jong si list ning kan thong ke ba phan mo pen hadak chingwai pon lo ning kan thong cap list people ning kan thong cap pleng alu pulotang te ultimately la so long le ke autonomous council long si chewang thu jui po except jong se alang litum yong si la bang so industry continue bi thu ji pulotang te la ke aku ri agreement bang bang chikuri tu po same list bilo pulotang te la ke jordan lo pu bang la ke mane aron long nam de except jong se council lo tum yong si la constitution yong si mane arkan pet pen yong si kapre kuri det pulotang te la bang ke belegalam lan bang polo te litum kaddo ko karbeng long ara tame chesong pak nang po bon dame lake un e impossible lake to high court le challenge samsi tame lake ningkan ke pa phi ba ningkan thongka phi tame list pi bulote bang soge la dake settle ne na sinon ke la so lam si le damlo la pa ni tum non pini pen amat ni tum la karbeng long atokanu east west along litum along le phelang along bang su jong si occupied potak en polatang de nitum autonomous council fan tuning riponji lai islami arona tengpa kang than bonji aphan kari move bonji aphan athela da ka 6 schedule la teng bansi dak bang ka long le pota tame pinangji pusi nelitum tuning rida sinon ituma president do alang lita.
To begin my speech on the press conference today, first of all I would like to thank the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, especially the Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. We are really honored and privileged to be in the meeting today. They have officially invited us, the President and Secretary of all Party Hills Leaders Conference. So we are very fortunate and privileged to be in a meeting today. And today, I would like to thank to the Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for his broad-mindedness and also for his dreams that the Karbi people should uplift, that Karbi people should promote, that the Karbi people should be like other societies, uplifting our social status. And he tried his best, and today he convened us a meeting. What he held a meeting with the government of Assam, with Dr. Himonto Biswa Sharma, and on February, I believe, they traveled to the other foreign countries like Japan, Korea, and the purpose of that visiting is Advance Assam 2.0. It is an upcoming global investment summit organized by the government of Assam to promote the state as a business and investment hub. It aims to attract domestic and international investors by showcasing Assam potential in various aspects such as infrastructure, manufacturing, agriculture, tourism, IT, and renewable energy. This event builds upon the success of Advantage Assam 2018, which helped position Assam as a key investment destinations in India's northeast. The summit will feature business meetings, policy discussions, and networking opportunities to facilitate partnerships and economic growth. Advantage Assam 2.0 Investment and Infrastructure Summit 2025 held on February 26, 2025 in Guwahati showcased Assam strategic focus on several key sectors to attract investment and drive economic growth. Number 1, infrastructure development and connectivity. Enhancing infrastructure is central to Assam's investment strategy. Discussing at the summit emphasized expanding both physical and digital connectivity within the state and to neighboring regions, aiming to establish Assam as a pivotal trade and logistic hub. Number 2, electronics and semiconductors. Assam is positioning itself as a significant player in India's semiconductor and electronics supply chain. A notable development is Tata Electronics' 27,000 crore outsourced semiconductor assembly and test project in Jagrod, expected to stimulate ancillary design. Number 3, manufacturing and industrial expansion. The state is actively engaging with industrial giants to boost manufacturing capacities. For instance, JK Laxmi Cement announced an 11,000 crore investment in a greenfield cement project in Assam, anticipated to generate thousands of direct and indirect jobs, contributing to the region's socio-economic development. Number 4, renewable energy and green technology. Assam is focusing on sustainable development by promoting investment in renewable energy projects. Collaborations are being explored to develop renewable energy initiatives, aligning with global trends toward green technology and sustainability. Number 5, tourism and hospitality. The summit highlighted Assam's rich aims to attract investment to develop infrastructure and services that cater to domestic and international tourists. Number 6, digital economy and startup ecosystem. Assam is fostering a tech-driven investment environment by enhancing digital infrastructure and supporting entrepreneurship. The state has launched policies to nurture startups, aiming to create thousands of jobs and position Assam as a hub for a new age business in sectors like fintech, agri-tech, and technology. Number 7, aerospace and defense manufacturing. With the introduction of the Assam Aerospace and Defense Manufacturing Policy 2025, the state offers tax incentives, fiscal support, and skill development initiatives and to attract investment in the aerospace and defense sectors, aiming to establish Assam as a key player in these industries. With the introductions of the Assam Aerospace and Defense Manufacturing Policy 2025, the state offers tax incentives, fiscal support, and skill development initiatives to attract investment in the aerospace and defense sectors, aiming to establish Assam as a key player in this industry. By focusing on these sectors, Advantage Assam 2.0 aims to transform the state's economic landscape, creating unemployment opportunities and positioning Assam as a leading destination in the Northeast India. Lasso hello, pini nitum labang so Chief Executive Member Pen Kepapon alam thela hello. Alang litum Assam along. Setame prek jam a feel along. ka develop ye phan etum theklong lo kona lak de etum unemployed lo etum sakuri bakuri avede lo la song thak se karbi anglong ta netum ba chini ateng ma ke 1 lakh bak of families 1 lakh bang yudatum sakuri ave bakuri ave la si ladak sakuri ki pipen ladak unede lo la si ladak non ki aim tho bang ke hong pen industry dak 1 to 6 jasmet Ramtang February cheklo ituma CEM Tuliram Ronghang lapen Dr. Hemento Sharma alangatum Japan lapen North Korea lapen along kaprek damsi alangatum hong atum ladak business investment upon ladak hang lo lapen phalo la sopena joksi ladak iltum unemployment atum sabe kidu kela garatum same itum non chinilo iltum da karbi anglong karbi tum same dok 18,000 bak karbi yudasu pinsolo so tum hong dam jamlo non South India along Mumbai along aprek Bangalore along Delhi along la sonse ichongda phandam jamlo ate da karbi anglong make sakuri bakuri piune delo lasi lason thak lai hue mone tum phandak lason a business half jong se dak nang pu ba boy tum ji thanlo la so bab nang ke pen Reliance rum dak isi thetan business dak wan po etum long le pipo la penda kang tum la so industry nang pu po la so industry nang geng pu long halala 18,000 hong ge do yu da tum chota kali ladak do boma tum seta ladak etum sakuri bakuri same long dun po la pena so thak si ladak adon tin seta dak pulo adon tin seta aning hanglo pulote labang so bab chu idun si il tum dak pen ke long le pina dim long etum long tu po ade tum thek long lo non alom ne tum penang na dim dam lo thek long lo metang hem chiri si do tum do chiri kep do tum do chiri pharo tum do seta lai ho long le pangram chai thang da dak e mu we athi be ma ki chu e yi ta ja ko we la pen tanga da we poisa da we mane loan ki pi bang ta we la si non la bang so bab ke scheme jong si Reliance bendak nang setup lo pote la so industry nang setup lo pote etum karbia rat kiduk arar tum same hadak methang bari long same methang long le long same la so bab chu idun long po chu idun long pen methang income do po la so income pen methang same chak long po methang somar tom phatna me lo pe chali long po papor hi long po chu la son me sena scheme nang ke ban pi thega pot ni tum non CM aphan Dr. Tuliram Ronghang aphan la parangli team aphan council aphan chopar piklo la puson thot akeme scheme nange wan pi apot la se pini mai long same tum dak 99% boli puta choglo organization tum halak tong pedlo do pedlo la pen ka do we same opinion lo ka do tum sa wanang po la pen la dak la boso industry nang punang po pupang sika do ta welcome lo aning hang lo seta ni tum ning du galam hadak jai ka thar atu mang ke kroi kre la bang so dak wan long le tum pidet po long le bang pon det po bang munang jor pidet po la sora company ke theke mega company apot itu mo phila solong le ke virdet po damjui po karbi tumari deng benam jui po posi keninge la solam bang ke hokali nitum theklong lo Dr. Tuliram Ronghang same batai clarification pilo long le la ke along thuman pidede lisi pichoji pota ke hodai de sala li song same se agreement dopo pinening kaning ko phan putame ningan thong ke phan tame labang list pipo lapen mola tum jongsi ke dak business and claim tang de lobote la solong le ke puthot etum karbi ariding si chewang thupo labang ke hada puthulo longlia pota la ke ahem phulong si chedoji list bang ke la ke agreement koripo la picho na ji hada ke longle pota hodai de mote agreement chi tokot longle pota peklang nei pinangi seda solong le pota bang ke ahem phu alam se me mohe tuma secretary ben thanu longle a law putak longle a ron putak da than pe melo la si longle ke edum dak 60 ar lo ke do anaba ke edum 60 la long la autonomous council ditu ke do la tumsi longle ke ahem phulo la pena solong le ke la 60 la hem phodum si ko bi mai claim ji jorde ji posida jorde ji pusa chene ji pusa chene pusa ahem phu ke etum 60 long si do autonomous council long si do la penhala komane angse sango be sango potamen ke do long se la si chedoji aposi longli pidiaji la pena solong si long le lu pobanga ni bangke alang li chok chedelo non etum karbi karba ki sungo hot ke boy hot kawe hot etum non isi me sena website etum sarkar non dak BJP sarkar lo lapen non dituma CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang kejapona sarkar alang le lapuan ake me askim ke wana long bangke itum deng dun de je bange chok chelo seta itum ke deng dun susinang po ka welcome tu nang po lapen nili methang mata long le do non male ne phanang people seven no mata nili ke kroilo la bangke ni long le sabso vedo chiri ni vedo ta la solong le non man nang klem seragon nang piseragon pu bang sinili ke ki putuji mo tingwai senang mo phira chok thalang polam ni long thang dawe ta non ma Jong Sino Autonomous Council of Tumpen, non la soa Reliance Company pen ha soa bab ke project gong se pena pelo thoten li ke pena kali nuwe pe masi dam silong li jipi dam jin li bangse. Ila ansi mane ining kamatha da pen la ansi ning ga jisik athila so kitu kelak arara phan nangkang thru je hot our side ke mes na hot ke chodeng ne po mage tum kilu thakti ka kam lo alam lo la si tum lunang ne lo itum la ke dam tang kidu kelak anda chok lo kedam tang itum kavien na cholo non pena bangke itum koson se kichi pa do thek chon de somar pan to we school college ami phan pu lai chi than thera lai hu tang ka nang ke le pen lai hu scheme nang le pen ke deng nun pen ka chi palong dun je phan le itum bori pon na matha pon na posi ka biara phan lo la na so me la to pan pamang hu hedera rong so pan pamang hu hedera kidu kelak to pan pamang hu hedera jitu niki ke mesena scheme ro ke than thu kimum thu ra ka pe kroi thu abang se claim nangi po bang se nili anutin bang putin pan tha chorolo la sinil ta ninge welo la pon ni si ni lam thing ton ko
la autonomous council pen list p pusitami PG same nili longle nili pota doko polotang de daga bangke autonomous council lomta la bangke wangwe la si la so bosto bangke waidak klar sap nangji la bangke moya jong ni to meeting along dame la bangke klar dum dak lo setame ni to me thebet lo autonomous council of han je la bang so bangke publicly mane rar phan paklang sonte la so bangke messenger la pen rat ame chini dak po bang sin ni tum chuning report tung autonomous council of han la pen hala mo het pulo Assam Land and Revenue Regulation Act 1886 along section 8 la pen 162 section along hadak dolo lapen ako 6 schedule to the constitutions of India hadak paragraph 3 lapen 10 along hadak tok dak lo lapen Maker Hills Transfers of Land Act 1959 hadak bangke section 3 lapen section 4 along hadak tok dak lo je ST mate tribal along leke non tribal phan pi long le jor long le sei list le pi posi tame lage eventually ke lake hadake ko bolo pui ho amena banga transfer long le ke jor kali labange gasimo a term jong si julo polo tang alang tum yong si mopen her hadak je ka thar polo je lapen elvin teron ka hai dami pudun je Assam Land and Revenue Regulation Act teng polo tang de la tum paning kan pidel lo potang de lage alang tum cherai det popu labang kali labang ke ni lige elvin teron kaning je long alam tame labang ni li chekroi dun de athe la pidet polo tang de lake 6 schedule aron karkan lo lapen Maker Hills Transfer of Land Act aron karkan lu pesindili udamdi la sabangke itame la so bangke je non tribal aphan tribal along lesi list pilo ma phie bangke pacherai det pu bangga lage kidia onde ko yong si dokok peladang la lage elidom la 6 schedule aron la pen Maker Hills Transfer of Land Act arona teng pen itum kor long thame itum chedanu la bangga lage impossible atams julo pelo autonomous council so tiara ka bang phutai po tuliram ka lir tai po mane hala sor bang ke hala bang sa ko agreement che tok to po yong si bang chedon accept thuji pulote tame chedon de hadang se pajut ko ipute laga bele galam lo nasi la so bang si ni tum clarification ki pikang tum rar pa pon chalo pine kar ji do ma